Did you know Disney has these super cool zoom shots in all their parks? It's absolutely free to take the photos, but to download it you'll need to have Disney's PhotoPass Memory Maker. So stay tuned to find out where you can find them all. First up is the Magic Kingdom shot. To find this you'll want to head to the hub area in front of Cinderella's castle. You're looking for a seemingly random cast member who's standing in the grass area to the back right of the hub, in front of where the Plaza restaurant is. Over at EPCOT, you're going to walk towards Spaceship Earth from the main entrance. You'll see there's an area that is roped off with a PhotoPass cast member nearby. At Hollywood Studios, it's in Galaxy's Edge. Head to the Millennium Falcon, and up on the viewing area above it, you'll find a PhotoPass photographer who can take the zoom shot. Lastly, Animal Kingdoms is tucked away in Asia. If you head towards Everest from Dinoland USA, you'll see a tiny signpost near one of the entrances to the theatre, right as you cross the bridge into the Asia area. Thanks for watching, we hope you found this useful. Be sure to subscribe and hit like if you enjoyed this video.